Hi, this is Rakesh. Welcome to High Peak Extreme. Today we are going to explore Munnar. Right now I am nearing Idukki. For entering Kerala, you need to carry negative RT-PCR report as well as Tamil Nadu e-pass also is required while coming from again to Tamil Nadu from Kerala. And if you are going to Kerala, you need to carry your Kerala e-pass also. So all the things are required. Without RT-PCR you can't go. So take care of that. And right now we are going to Idukki. In Idukki there are 2-3 places to see. One is Anchurulli tunnel and other is triple waterfalls which is in a private place, that is not allowed. Anchurulli tunnel I am not sure about that, but we are not going to Anchurulli tunnel. We are going to Mystic Mayapot. It's a jungle resort. We will be staying there and the next day we will be heading to Munnar. So let's see, I'll meet you in Munnar. We have reached Mystic Mayapot. It's around 9 kilometers from Anchurulli tunnel. Let's see the resort how it is. We reached Mystic Mayapot. This is the entrance. You can see how it is. Now let's see the room. They are giving the welcome drink. What is this?
Coconut milk tea.
Coconut milk tea, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. Now let's see the room. And how many rooms are there?
5 rooms, sir.
5 rooms.
We have 2 categories.
Okay.
There is one cottage room and bungalow rooms.
Okay.
4 bungalow rooms is there. One
Okay.
below cottage is there.
Okay.
This cottage room here is already.
Okay.
That is already occupied.
Okay.
This is our highlight. Close to nature.
Okay.
This is our fish pond. That is kind of active.
That one, huh?
Yeah, that is our fish pond.
Okay.
And this is our waterfall.
Wow. Okay.
This might hurt.
This is it.
This is open. You can just hold it.
Yeah, this is our room. Yeah, see the room, how is it? Yeah, bathroom. You can see the view also. Yeah. They charged me 10,000 net for this room, inclusive breakfast and lunch. Now we are heading for the lunch. I'll show the food also. I have placed order for veg biryani. The food is good. Now at Munnar, we are at Amberdale Munnar. Now let's check into hotel. Then we'll explore Munnar. Yeah. How many rooms are here?
So we have total 57 rooms under operation.
Okay.
So like we have got a 13 rooms of this side. That is
Okay.
a mountain view. And we have got
Mountain view.
Mountain
Okay.
view. We have got 20 rooms which is premium valley view room of this side. And we have got 4 rooms which is like honeymoon suite room which are facing towards the valley
Honeymoon suite room with jacuzzi.
with jacuzzi.
Okay. Yeah, this is our room. This is valley view. You can see the view. Let's see the bathroom. They charged 4,500 net for this room, inclusive breakfast. Now we are going to explore Munnar. Today and tomorrow we are going to stay here. So let's start. We have reached Attukad waterfall. It's just 5 to 6 kilometers from Munnar town and 7 kilometers from Amberdale Hotel. Now let's explore the Attukad waterfall. After this, we'll be going to Chinna Canal waterfall. This place you should come and visit. It's very good.
Family.
Here you can't bath also. Climate in Munnar is around 16 degrees right now. No proper parking over here. You can see the road how it is and you can park it there itself. Now let's get to Chinnakanal waterfall. This is Chinnakanal waterfall. It's about 1 hour drive, that is 30 kilometers from Attukad waterfall. Now let's head to next spot. We reached Photo Point. It's just 3 to 4 kilometers from Munnar town. Here you can do even horse riding. They are charging 100 rupees for that. And for lunch you can try in Annapurna in Munnar town. Saravana Bhavan is there. Sri Krishna is there. In all the places you will be getting Gujaratis, Bombay, Jain food, Italian, Chinese. I can suggest you for going to Annapurna as well as Sri Krishna. Saravana Bhavan is only South Indian vegetarian. You can see the view of this photo point. After this we will be going to Kalmagiri Elephant Park. Now at Kalmagiri Elephant Park, it's open. Here you can do elephant feeding, elephant showering and bath and shower, as well as elephant ride. Per person they charge 600. It's a 15 minutes. They take it inside and come back. You can see that. It's just 2 minutes drive from Photo Point. Now we'll go to next spot from here. This is Matupatti Dam. It's also just few kilometers from Kalmagiri Elephant Park. Here speedboat, pedal boat, all speedboat, pedal boat and shikara boating, all are there, but now it's closed. You can see the view of the dam. This is Echo Point. It's just 5 kilometers from Matupatti Dam. This is open. But no boating is here.
இங்க பாரு.
Here is the entrance is 10 rupees and pedal boating is 300 rupees, but it's closed now. Now more 2 places are there. Next is Kundala Lake and then Top Station. Now its time is 5:30 and Top Station is going to get closed. We'll see there. This is Kundala Lake and Kundala Dam. From Echo Point it's about 15 to 20 minutes drive. Better you can skip this place, nothing much here. And now we'll head to Top Station. We are at top station now. It's about 20 minutes drive from Kundala Lake, and from here half a kilometer you need to trek and go. From there you can, top station is actually a viewpoint. From there you can see Kumuli, Kambam. அங்கே வேறு என்னென்ன தெரியும் அந்த வியூ பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து? தேனி தெரியுமா? தேனி தேனி தெரியாதா? ஓகே, கம்பம் குமலி எல்லாம் தெரியும். ஓகே, that's what he's saying. Now let's go there and we'll see how it is. Yeah, this is the top station viewpoint. See, you can see that side is Teni, Adan Teni, and this right hand side is Kambam, and this side is Kumuli varudalla? Andamaliya? Okay. And idu? Tea estate, and that is tea estate, Kulkumalai. Kulkumalai தானே? அப்படியா? அங்கேயா? Oh, okay. You can see the view how it is. If you want, even you can book it for camping also. Hi. Today is our second day of exploring Munnar, and today's date is 37/21, and we are right now at Eravikulam National Park. It is closed. It's been two months since they have closed it. From Munnar town, it's about 7 to 8 kilometers. Now next we will head to Nayamakkad waterfall, then Marayur, the Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. Let's move now. Nayamakkad waterfall is near to Eravikulam National Park, but you can't go there. So from there, next some 2-3 kilometers, if you come, you can see this Anemudi viewpoint. It's a peak, Anemudi peak viewpoint. This is Nayamakkad bridge, and from here we will go next to Lakam waterfalls. Now at Lakam waterfall. Lakam waterfall is closed. They kept the board here. That is the way, you need to go by that way. Now we'll go to the another spot. Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary is closed. From here only they take you for trekking inside the forest. And Marayur is nothing to see. You can better skip it and you can come to Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. You can just see the view. From here only you need to go for trekking. And after this our Munnar tour is completed. Now we are heading to Chennai back. Next we are planning to cover Hokenekal and Yercaud. So subscribe the channel if you like it, and if you have any queries, comment me I will try to respond as soon as possible. Bye bye.